Ever wonder what it really means to live a long life? It's not just about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. We're talking about your health span, not just your lifespan. The goal is to stay vibrant, strong, and sharp, not just survive. So, what's holding us back? The biggest culprits are chronic inflammation, insulin resistance, oxidative stress, and poor gut health. These are the longevity killers that accelerate aging. But here's the good news. We have a powerful tool to fight back, and it's right on our plates. Today, we're diving into the science of how whole plant-based foods can biohack your body for a longer, healthier life. Forget the trends. This is about cellular biology. Whole plant-based foods are packed with polyphenols, fiber, and antioxidants. They act like a cellular maintenance crew, cleaning up damage and optimizing performance. Unlike ultra-processed foods that fuel inflammation, plants do the opposite. They improve the function of your mitochondria, the tiny power plants inside your cells, and support a process called autophagy, which is your body's natural recycling system for clearing out damaged cells. From a biohacker's perspective, plants aren't just calories, they are information. They are the fuel your cells need to repair, rebuild, and thrive. Let's talk about the headquarters of your longevity, your gut. Your gut microbiome, that community of trillions of bacteria living in your digestive tract, is mission control for your overall health. And what do these beneficial bacteria eat? Fiber. Whole plant-based foods are loaded with it. The more diverse the plants you eat, the more diverse and robust your gut microbiome becomes. And why does that matter? A healthy gut regulates your immune system, keeps inflammation in check, supports brain health, and even manages your metabolism. People in the blue zones, the areas with the highest concentration of centenarians, often eat over 30 different types of plant foods every single week. Their secret isn't a magic pill. It's a diverse, plant-rich diet. One of the fastest ways to accelerate aging is through chronic inflammation. It's like a slow-burning fire inside your body that damages cells and tissues over time. The best firefighters for this internal fire are anti-inflammatory foods. Think dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. Load up on berries, especially blueberries and blackberries, which are bursting with antioxidants. A powerful combination is turmeric with some coconut oil. It enhances the absorption of curcumin, turmeric's active compound. Ginger is another fantastic anti-inflammatory root. And don't forget high-quality, extra virgin olive oil, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, renowned for its longevity benefits. By incorporating these foods daily, you're actively cooling down inflammation and protecting your cells from premature aging. Next up, let's tackle blood sugar. Think of unstable blood sugar as a roller coaster for your cells. It's stressful and speeds up the aging process. The key to slower aging is keeping your blood sugar stable. And again, plants are the heroes here. The fiber in plant foods slows down the absorption of glucose, preventing those dramatic spikes and crashes. Foods like beans, lentils, oats, sweet potatoes, and quinoa are champions at this. They provide steady, sustained energy and improve your body's sensitivity to insulin, the hormone that manages blood sugar. When your insulin is working efficiently, your body ages more gracefully. It's a simple but profound mechanism for long-term health. Now, let's talk about protecting your most valuable asset, your brain. Cognitive decline is not an inevitable part of aging. A major driver of memory loss and brain fog is something called neuroinflammation in the brain. The antioxidants found in plant foods are like a security detail for your neurons, protecting them from damage. Certain plants can even improve blood flow to the brain, keeping it nourished and sharp. Berries are superstars for brain health, often called brain berries. Walnuts, which even look a little like a brain, are packed with omega-3 south. Dark leafy greens are essential. And even common herbs like rosemary and sage have been shown to support cognitive function. Eating for brain longevity means you're investing in a sharp, clear mind for decades to come. Deep inside your cells are the engines of life, your mitochondria. They produce the energy that powers everything you do, from breathing to thinking. But they also play a huge role in controlling the pace of aging. When mitochondria get damaged by oxidative stress, their efficiency drops and aging accelerates. Plant foods, especially those rich in polyphenols, are mitochondrial superheroes. They reduce oxidative stress and enhance mitochondrial function, keeping your cellular engines running smoothly. To power up your mitochondria, think about sipping on green smoothie, enjoying some raw steamed, dark leafy greens, and adding beets and pomegranates to your diet. These foods are direct upgrades for your cellular energy and vitality. You don't always need large quantities to make a big impact. Spices and herbs offer some of the highest return on investment for longevity. These potent plant parts have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for a reason. Turmeric is a powerhouse anti-inflammatory. Cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar medicinally. Garlic is incredible for cardiovascular and immune health. Holy basil, or tulsi, is an adaptogen that helps your body handle stress. And we've already mentioned rosemary for its brain protective benefits. Sprinkling these into your meals is an easy and delicious way to send powerful health-promoting signals to your cells every single day. If you need real-world proof, look no further than the blue zones. Places like Okinawa in Japan, Sardinia in Italy, and Ikaria in Greece are home to the world's longest-living people. And what do they have in common? Their diets are overwhelmingly plant-based, centered on whole foods like beans, greens, grains, and nuts. They consume very little processed sugar and meat. For them, food isn't about supplements or quick fixes. It's their daily medicine. Their lifestyles prove that a diet rich in whole plant-based foods is a sustainable, time-tested strategy for a long and healthy life. So how do you actually start without feeling overwhelmed? The key is an additive mindset, not a restrictive one. Don't focus on what to cut out. Focus on what to add in. Try this simple framework. Aim for one bean-based dish per day, whether it's a lentil soup, a chickpea salad, or black beans with your rice. Add 1 serving of leafy greens, like a handful of broccoli in your smoothie or a side salad with dinner. Have 1 serving of berries each day, and grab a handful of nuts or seeds for a snack. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Small daily habits build the foundation for lifelong health. Here are a few more biohacker rules of thumb to maximize your results. First, eat the rainbow. Different colors in plants signify different phytonutrients, so a colorful plate means a wider range of benefits. Second, rotate your foods weekly. Don't eat the same 3 vegetables every day. This variety feeds a more diverse gut microbiome. Third, prioritize whole foods over powders or supplements. The synergistic effect of all the compounds in a whole food is more powerful than an isolated nutrient. And finally, chew your food slowly. Digestion begins in the mouth, and proper chewing helps you absorb all the incredible nutrients you're eating. In closing, I want to leave you with a powerful idea. Aging is not purely genetic. It's programmable. The food you eat every day sends signals to your cells, instructing them to either age faster or to repair and thrive. Whole plant-based foods are one of the most effective, low-risk, high-reward tools you have in your longevity toolkit. You don't need to be extreme. You just need to be consistent. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, longer life.